Hi everyone, let's make beautiful artwork. We are making a house using these earbuds. So make the roof and paste the doors and windows. Now we are going to make large flowers on the top of it using clay. Now press all the yellow clay balls and make these beautiful flowers. Paste clouds around it and look, it is ready. Take a tissue paper, put bottle cap, and we are going to stamp these color on the top of this white sheet of paper. This is a very easy technique of making flowers. So we are going to make the leaves using earbud. Now make spiral lines on the top of it and add more details. Here we are making a bouquet. So we are going to make dot on the tissue paper, paste it, and look, it's done. Cut this heart and put it on this blue craft paper, trace lines around it, put glue. Now we are going to paste colorful clay balls on the top of it, cover it like this, and look, it's done. Now we are going to paste this envelope below it, draw lines and paste clouds around it, and look, it is ready. Let's make a beautiful bouquet. We are going to paste these red petals on this blue craft paper. Now we are going to lift the petal upward and paste it like this. It will give a 3D look to the flower. Now make multiple cut on this yellow strip of paper, roll it and paste it at the center of the flower. After this, we are going to paste it using double-sided tape, paste a bow, and look, your bouquet is ready. We are going to paste multicolor circles one after another like this. Now we are going to draw a rainbow line on the top of it. Now start cutting it like this, and look, your rainbow is ready. We are going to paste two clouds, draw eyes on the top of it using marker. After this, we are going to paste these colorful balls and we are going to draw lines on it, add more details like this, and look, your artwork is ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it. First we are going to draw all the fruits and start coloring it. Now cut it like this. Now cut small sponges piece, put it on the color and paste all of them. Now paste fruits on the top of it like this. When you hit it, and the colors will splash like this. Let's make this creative craft. We are going to draw all the sea animals here. Now color it like this. Now we are going to cut all of them. Now make small pieces of the sponge and dab them on the color. Put all the sponge and paste animals on the top of it, and you can enjoy this fun activity with your friends. Let's make leaf art today. So cut this leaf and paste it on the ground. Here we are making dinosaurs. So cut the leaf and make the leg and body of the dinosaur. Draw its eyes, its face. We're adding details like we're pasting these green leaves, sun, clouds, and look, it is ready. We are going to make leaf art. So cut this leaf and paste it on the sheet of paper. Here we are making different trees like this. Now draw the trunk using black marker. Similar way, we are adding more details like sun. We are drawing birds around it, and your craft work is ready. Take a green craft paper, make multiple cut and paste it on this blue craft paper. Now roll all the strips using pencil. Now we are going to make fish. So fold this yellow strip of paper, fold it and make the fin and tail of the fish and paste it like this. Now draw its eyes, its face and paste it like this. Make more such colorful fishes and look, draw bubbles around it, and it is ready. Make multiple strip of green craft paper, twist it and paste it on this blue sheet of paper. Here we are making grasses. Now it's done. After this, we are going to fold this yellow craft paper. Here we are going to make a triangular fish. So start folding it like this. Now we are going to open it. Finally make a triangular shape like this. Now we are going to again flip it and fold it. Paste it on the sheet of paper. Draw its eyes and lines on it. Similar way, make different pattern of fishes. Draw bubbles around it, and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.